this is Brian with CarTeck Now. We've all had a dead battery before. Today, I'm going to show you how to jump your car using a portable jump starter. This is the portable jump starter available on CarTeckNow.com. To set it up for use, just plug the leads into the battery, like that. The portable jump starter will have two leads coming off of it. The red one is the positive and the black one is the negative. We're going to attach the positive one first. You'll see it has a corresponding red mark and a positive sign. We're then going to attach the negative lead. It's not going to go to the negative terminal of the battery. You're actually going to find an unpainted metal section of the car and attach it to that. To supply power to the battery, just press the on button on the jump starter. Now just turn the car on like normal and it should start right up. Now that the car is running, we're going to take off the leads out of the portable jump starter. We're going to start with the negative first and then take off the positive. After you jump start your car, you should leave it running for about half an hour to make sure it has enough power to start back up the next time you want to use it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you. Have a good day.